Designated beach cleaning machines cost between $15,000 to well over $100,000. But what makes one machine cost tens of thousands more than another? And where do your beach cleaning needs fall on that spectrum? When looking at these prices and trying to determine how to prioritize your budget, it can be really helpful to know what features affect this price range so that you can make sure you're paying for real functionality that translates into tangible results for your beach maintenance program, instead of overpaying for capacity or features that you don't need. It's just like if you're a single person commuting 1 mile to work every day in an area where it doesn't snow, you can probably deprioritize that third row of seating and all-wheel drive. But if you had a family of 6, you probably want to pay for that larger vehicle. It's the same way with beach cleaners. So in this video, we're going to break down the 5 main factors that influence the cost of a beach cleaning machine, so that you can make sure that you're getting the beach cleaner that will make your beach cleaning program successful, without overpaying for what you don't need. And then, at the end of the video, I'm going to throw in a hidden bonus cost that jacks up the list price way more than you'd expect, and it's one that most prospective beach cleaner buyers forget about. Really shouldn't. Let's dive in. As I just mentioned, the list price of a specific beach cleaning machine is typically based on 5 key factors. First is the machine type. Walk-behind beach cleaners and small tractor attachments are the least expensive models and can be great options for small private beaches or beach maintenance teams who need to clean small sandy areas frequently or with a great deal of precision, but they don't have the resources or the need for more robust cleaning capacity. Designated tractor-towed beach cleaning units are the most popular option for professional beach maintenance teams who operate medium and large beaches, as well as smaller beaches that get heavy amounts of debris washing up on the beach. Tractor-towed beach cleaners range in cost a lot, beginning around $30,000 for a small tractor-towed unit, to averaging around $50,000, $60,000 for a medium-sized unit, and scaling up past $100,000 for high-capacity units. A third kind of beach cleaner is a self-propelled beach cleaner, which costs significantly more per unit of cleaning capacity than comparable tractor-towed units, even though it employs a similar cleaning technology, while also adding in a bunch of potential failure points into the mix because of all the extra components like an engine, transmission, and electrical components. And this is why at Barber, we don't manufacture them. We found that a tractor from a proven manufacturer will be a far more reliable propulsion unit than the proprietary ones found on self-propelled beach cleaners. The second beach cleaner criteria that affects their list price is cleaning width. The wider the machine, the more the machine tends to cost. This is because it requires more components, more raw materials to manufacture. However, with that increased cleaning width, it will take fewer passes to clean the same beach. So you can clean large areas faster. As a general rule, the wider the machine, the greater its cleaning efficiency. Hopper capacity is the third factor that affects how much a beach cleaner costs. Since larger hoppers require larger frames, wider cleaning mechanisms, beach cleaning prices tend to rise proportionally to the hopper size. A large capacity hopper can be a real benefit though, because it allows the beach cleaner to pick up more debris per dump cycle, or the amount of time it takes before a machine needs to travel to the dump site to empty its hopper. By reducing the number of dump cycles in a given cleaning, the operator can save significant amounts of time. This can prove especially true on larger beaches, as the machine cleans areas farther and farther from the original dump site and then needs to return over those areas it's already cleaned. If you know your dump site is a bit of a distance from the beach, investing in a beach cleaner with a larger hopper would be a real benefit, if not a necessity. In addition to reducing dump cycles, large capacity hoppers are often needed for removing specific types of high volume debris, like sargassum or seaweed, which would simply fill up the hopper on smaller machines too quickly to be practical for regular use. The dump mechanism is the fourth factor that affects how much a beach cleaning machine costs. Typically, beach cleaners can deposit the debris they collect in 2 ways: ground dump or high dump. Ground dump can be suitable if there is a secluded dump site to deposit the debris over time. But if you will need to deposit the debris in a dumpster or in a truck, the high dump option becomes essential. Naturally, with more hydraulic components and more moving parts, the high dump function will cost more than the ground dump models and are typically found on middle and large-sized beach cleaners. The fifth major factor that impacts how much a beach cleaning machine costs is whether it includes additional options or customizations. For example, at Barber, we offer a finisher assembly for creating a groomed look on the clean sand, a hydraulic moldboard for making cleaning depth adjustments on the go, and hot dip galvanizing to prevent corrosion, not to mention other custom options like safety lights, or custom colors, or bacteria-reducing rake attachments, auto greasers, dust reduction systems, and well, typically whatever beach cleaning maintenance teams find they need. By handling all the assembly at our factory, we've had the flexibility to make some pretty unique requests. And as you can expect, if you add on an option, you'll be increasing the price of the machine. One more bonus cost-driving factor, one that most beach cleaning buyers don't consider when they're comparing machines. It's the additional costs of ongoing maintenance and repairs you're signing up for when you get a specific type of machine. While it's tempting to just look at the list price of a machine, certain beach cleaner types invite higher maintenance and repair costs, which can make a good find now turn into a real headache over time. We've put together a free checklist about what to look for in a beach cleaning machine design and manufacturer to make sure that you're buying a reliable machine that will work for you for the long term and with the fewest headaches. You can find the download link in the description. So, which cost-affecting factors are most important for your beach cleaning needs? Which ones are deal breakers versus nice-to-haves? At Barber, we manufacture a full beach cleaner lineup that covers the full spectrum of beach cleaners, from affordable walk-behind units right on up to high-capacity industrial tractor-towed units. If you're in the market and interested in getting an idea of what specific machine could be a good fit for you, we put together a surf rake recommendation tool. It'll ask you about your beach cleaning needs and then provides you a recommendation for the model of surf rake that would be the best fit for your beach needs and budget. It offers a great starting point for your research, and you can find the link to this free tool in the description. No email or contact info required. Thanks for watching. I look forward to sharing some more beach cleaning tips with you in the next video.